Hi, my name is Matt Bernstein, successful Udemy instructor with over 50,000 students across 186 countries. But I'm going to make the proper assumption that you have no idea who I am. So listen, I have a booming voice and like to get straight to the point. From a digital marketing standpoint, getting over 50,000 plus students on Udemy speaks for itself. But how does that help you? At the end of the course, you'll learn how to build a sales funnel, build or increase your social media following, become an affiliate marketer with ClickBank and JVZoo. Who should take this course and who should not? Students who know very little about building a sales funnel, students who have very little social media presence and want more of a following, students who want to become an affiliate marketer with ClickBank, and students who want to upload their created products to JVZoo. And as a very small token of my appreciation, when you scroll down the page, you'll see that some lectures are available for free. So check those out and enroll now.